Hi, I'm Mark Luthold, and I'm here today to show you how to program a glaze firing with a Bartlett controller. You will just have a look at your firing menu here, and here you have your two bisque firings, and here you have your glaze. Pick slow glaze. Usually slow firings are better than fast firings. And so you're going to pick slow glaze and then press enter. It's asking you what cone. 04 is a good low fire glaze temperature that's appropriate for your glaze. Or if you have a different temperature, you would put that temperature in. So our low fire glazes are cone 04, so we'll press 04 and enter. It's asking you now how long to hold the firing at peak temperature. This is called a soaking, and it's very good for glazes. Let's pick a 6-minute soak, so you'll just press 6 and then enter. And then the only thing you have left to do is to program a preheat, which is very good to have even with a glaze firing. So press menu twice and then enter. And a 2-hour preheat is good. So just press 2 and then 0, 0, so you can get that decimal point after the 2. And press enter. And then go ahead and review your program. Slow glaze, 2-hour preheat, cone 04. And it's a 6-minute soak. And that's it. And now to start the firing, just press the start button here. And sometimes you have to press it twice, but this time it's working only with when I pressed it once. So our firing has started. Happy firing.